Student, today we are going to solve the important question of linear equation in two variable 10th standard CBSE math. Now the first problem is given 152x minus 78 378y is equal to minus 74 minus 370x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. In this problem the variable of x and y are equal. Okay, from this observation, for this you must add these two equations. Add and subtraction method is used for this. Means first I am adding these two equations. Okay, now what will come here? Minus 226x. Okay, minus 226y will come here is equal to minus 678 will come here. Okay, now this can be cancelled, means what will come here? X minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, now I can change the sign. So x plus y is equal to 3. This is my first equation. Means in this type of problem you have to first add these two equations, then I am subtracting these two equations. What I will get? 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74. Okay, minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. In subtraction, you know the sign must be changed. Means this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. Okay, now what will come here? 0, 12, 13, carry 1, 538 minus 530y, okay, is equal to what will come here? 530. Then again divide all these numbers, so you will get x minus y is equal to 1. This is your second equation, simple equation. Now I can solve this equation by elimination method. X plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1. In this problem, this y will get cancelled, means 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Okay, now what I will do? This value is substitute in equation 1. So what will come? 2 plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is y is equal to 1. These are the required answer for the given problem. This important is very important. In this type of problem, addition and subtraction method is used. Okay, this is very important. Addition. Okay, in NCERT is also given one problem. Okay, in miscellaneous exercise. Now we are going to solve the second problem. In this problem, I will transfer 1 to that side and then I will take the LCM. Okay, now I am transferring 1. Then what is the LCM of this? Is 10. Okay, now this will be x plus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, now I will transfer here, to what will come here? X plus 2y is equal to 10. This is my first equation. Now in second equation my LCM will be 24. 8 3 are 24 means 3x, 6 4 are 24 means 4y is equal to 5. Okay, now what will come here? 3x plus 4y is equal to 105. Okay, 24 into 5 is 105. Now I have get two equations 1 and 2. For the elimination I have to multiply this equation by 2. So what will come here? 2x plus 4y is equal to 20 and this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 105. Okay, now what will come here? 24 into 5, 5 4 is 20, 120 will come here. Okay, this is 120. Now I will subtract, means this will get cancelled. Okay, what I will get? Minus x is equal to minus 100 means x is equal to 100. Okay, now I will substitute the value here. What I will get? 2 into 100 is 200 plus 4y is equal to 20 Now what will come here? 4y is equal to minus 180 will come here. So y is equal to minus 45. Okay. Now I am getting the value of x and y. Now I will substitute the value in find lambda. Y is equal to, okay, lambda x plus y. This is minus 45. Lambda x is 100 plus y. Now I will transfer this here. So what will come here? Minus 50 is equal to 100 lambda. So what is the value of lambda is equal to minus 50 upon 100. Okay. Then what will come here? Minus 1 by 2 is equal to lambda. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay. This is also very important sum. Now we are going to solve the third problem, find A and B for infinitely many solution. For infinitely many solution, you know the condition. What is the condition? Is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. Now I am substituting the value A minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 1 minus 2B is equal to 2 by 6. Now I can cancel this with this. 1 by 3 will come here. Now I will equate this by 1 by 3 and I am equating A minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 3 and 3 upon 1 minus 2B is equal to 1 by 3. By simplifying I will get the value of A and B. Now I am cross multiplying this. What will come here? 3A minus 3 is equal to 6. Means 3A is equal to 9 will come here. Okay. Now this will be A is equal to 3. Now what I will do here? Again cross multiply. This is 1 minus 2B. Okay. Now what will come here? 8 is equal to minus 2B. Okay. B is equal to 8 upon minus 2. That is equal to minus 4 is equal to B. These are the values required for the given problem. Okay. Now we are going to solve this problem is very important for the examination point of view. 8 men and 12 boys finish the work in 10 days. Means one man finished the work in X day. Okay. And one boy finished the work in Y days. Okay. I will write down this one. So in one day, 8 men can do 8 upon X plus 12 upon Y is equal to 1 by 10. This is my first condition. Okay. Now the second condition, 6 men means 6 upon X plus 8 upon Y is equal to 1 by 14. Okay. Now this upon X is equal to A and 1 upon Y is equal to B. Okay. Now what I will get? 8A plus 12B, okay, is equal to 1 by 10. And second equation, 6A plus 8B is equal to 1 by 14. Means I get the two equations. Now these two equations can be solved by elimination method. Okay. You will get the value of A and B. Then but you have to apply but x is equal to 1 upon A and y is equal to 1 upon B. Try for this problem to find out the answer of this equation. Okay. These are the very important sum for the school examination and board examination. Okay.